Buying Bitcoin on Guarda wallet is easy and secure. Here's how you can do it. Open Guarda wallet. Launch the Guarda wallet app or access it via the web platform. Log in with your password. Select Buy. In the wallet's interface, locate and click the Buy button, usually available on the main dashboard. Choose Bitcoin. From the list of cryptocurrencies, select Bitcoin as the asset you want to purchase. Enter the purchase amount. Specify the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy. You can input the amount in BTC or the equivalent in your local fiat currency. Select a payment method. Choose your preferred payment method, such as credit card, debit card, or other available options supported by the third-party payment provider integrated with Guarda. Provide payment details. Enter your payment information, including card details. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the purchase. Confirm the transaction. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm your purchase. Receive Bitcoin. Once the payment is processed, the purchased Bitcoin will be deposited directly into your Guarda wallet.